not because the regulatory body is failing, should we in Congress and people who know should keep quiet. We cannot do that. Well, that's why we're pointing out, we're calling the attention of NAWASA. Take that the initiative, force the two water concessionaires to deliver their contracts, major provision, sewer water cleaning. At nananawagan na nga ako kay Pangulong Duterte dahil siya interesado ngayon to clean up Manila Bay. Mr. President, you will fail unless you force the two water concessionaires today to deliver the wastewater treatment facilities. Dahil technically, yung tubig na lalabas sa ating papunta ng dagat na galing sa toilet natin ay malinaw na tubig na, gaya na sinabi natin Minority Leader. Yun ang talagang dapat na dineliver mula ng 1997. Dahil nagutang na nga sila sa World Bank ng pupuhunanan. Gagamitin puhunan para dyan. Ang tanong natin, saan punta yung inyong inutang na pera?